precision, resilience, and green impact. From recycling metal frames for the mini powerhouse to welding under the sun's blaze, every step demands focus and safety. Alongside structural work, garden cleanup and fresh planting bring life to the facility's edge, proving that progress isn't just built, it's grown. Let's dive into the tasks that shape both infrastructure and morale. Mini powerhouse construction and facility tasks, metal frame recycling and prep. Objective: repurpose metal frames for roofing braces of the mini powerhouse. Collect and inspect salvaged metal frames for structural integrity. Cut and join small parts to exact lengths using gasless MIG 300 welding machine. Organize pre-cut braces by size and placement zones. Garden pot cleanup. Collect garbage and organic waste from garden pots. Sort and dispose materials, responsibly segregate recyclables. Enhance soil with shoreline mix or compost if available. Prep pots for new plant installation. Frame welding and installation. Objective: begin structural welding of roofing braces into the mini powerhouse. Prioritize safety, PPE check, gloves, mask, goggles, long sleeves. Hydration and sun protection protocols. Fire extinguisher and first aid kit on standby. Position and tack weld frames into place. Full weld all joints for maximum strength and safety. Inspect welds for consistency, penetration, and alignment. Capture footage of welding under sun, highlight grit, sweat, and precision. Facility task wrap-up. Objective: final inspection and beautification. Conduct final check of all facility zones, fabrication area, technical office. Shoreline perimeter, operational pathways. Plant new greens beside the building, select hardy, low-maintenance species. Water and secure newly planted areas. Log progress in daily report and prep thumbnail for content upload. Welcome to Bigfoot's grip and lighting section, where practical know-how meets dedication. We aren't experts, but we understand what needs to be done to keep our grip and lighting equipment performing at its best. Through consistent maintenance and hands-on care, we ensure everything is ready for your production needs. Follow our journey as we tackle routine tasks with precision and keep things running smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our simple but effective maintenance practices.